I'm just raw dogging it with the high shutter speed. New client just dropped. This place is called Trio. We're gonna get exterior shots, interior shots, and we're filming it for a 60-second ad, and we're over filming so that we can over deliver. And if they wanna buy some more edits, they can. We just did the drone shot. Now we're just gonna do some outside exterior shots. And I know what you're thinking, he's handheld. Dude, it's called internal stabilization. I'm also shooting in 4K 60, which allows me to speed ramp, and I shoot in 4K so I can warp stabilize, and you're not gonna be able to tell, I promise you. Although I don't recommend going handheld if you're not literally a pro like myself. The plan right now is to just get establishing shots and get detail shots. The establishing shots were more from the drone. I'm just getting details, so logos, creative shots. I'm shooting on a 24-70 so I can get pretty tight with it. We like it tight in this channel. Don't we, Jacob? If this gets 100,000 views, will you come back for part 2?
I guess so.
I can actually, if you want to come out to an Iowa State meet, I'd love to have you.
Maybe.
Cool. Okay, here we go. By the way, I don't have an ND filter, any sort of filter. I'm just raw dogging it with the high shutter speed. Me and Jacob went to film school together, and that was one of the things they told you not to do. Is that right, Jacob?
That is right.
I guarantee you, anyone who isn't a filmmaker or a videographer will not be able to tell. I personally like to start with tights with as much foreground as possible, and then I go for wides. The issue right now is over here is super bright, over here is super dark. So you just have to pick a side to film and film from it. They must have an interior designer because this is a very well decorated venue. Cool. I got an extra in my background. Cool. That's pretty good for this. I'm just gonna get a couple booths. Oh, here we go. Cool. We're gonna talk to the marketing manager. Hey, we're starting to do our interior walkthrough. Is there any things in specific that you want highlighted that aren't obvious? I'm getting shots of all of the logos. I'm also getting wide shots so you can see everything that's available. Got that lounge. I'm gonna get this lounge after we get our bags out of the way. After this room, I was thinking we go into the theaters. Can we turn the theater lights on, like the overheads? I'll get like wide shots of the theater rooms, and I'll also just get some shots of like the concessions and stuff like that. After that, I was gonna go to golf and then just take a lap of golf, tennis, pickleball.
Yeah, because golf has a lot of, I don't know, texture, different colors and things.
Cool.
And where pickleball and tennis are just kind of like flat courts.
Yeah. After we're done with that, could we have one of your bartenders either like mix a drink or just like pour a beer? Okay, cool. If we could do like one of the small ones and one of the big ones. Cool.
You want me to like do something in it? No. Yes.
And
Song and dance?
afterwards. Cool. Well, in that case, I'm just gonna get shots of the theaters, and then I'll golf, tennis, pickleball, and then I'll come back to you for people shots.
Sure.
Cool.
Good.
Awesome. Yep. Would you be able to close that door? Is that okay? Yeah. Okay, cool. The first thing that stands out to me is these are warm lights. So this is what it looks like if I don't change my white balance, and this is what it's supposed to look like. The thing about white balance is you're just supposed to make the white things look white. Isn't that right, Jacob? Dude, you're gonna be like the fan favorite character, not me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Go ahead and sit behind me. Personally trained by Jake Weisler. I really should be on a gimbal right now. You gotta have faith in your skills. Also, not gonna lie, the current gimbal I have right now will not support this much weight. Even if it was just like the camera and the lens, it's a struggle. Cool. But these are really cool cushiony seats. So everything that's a nice little feature is something that should be highlighted in these kinds of shoots. Also, have you guys, let me know, like in the comments, have you ever seen a theater that has like trays. You can get like a burger and come in and eat it here while reclined. I've personally never seen that before. Oh, I just turned on a seat warmer. They have seat warmers. Okay, let's back it up a little. I'm a fiend for foreground. Okay, let's go to the next one. Ooh, actually, I definitely need a shot of me walking into this place. Cool. This is gonna be such a cool shoot, Jacob, thank you. Yeah. We're gonna do the big one now. Yeah, this one seats twice as many people, so it's twice as big. Cool. Whoa. Catch me watching Deadpool and Wolverine in here. Okay, well that won't turn on. Maybe the other side, or maybe we go find Jamie again. Jacob, this is my dream, is to have a BTS shooter. Oh, you know what? Ah, dang it. Okay, cool. It's press and hold, not press and pull out. I think I like that. It's like it's being spotlit and it looks pretty cinematic. Oh yeah, that's the shot right there. Cool. All right, now let's go be awkwardly filming where people are working. Oh, it's the guy from, they've got candy to show. Ooh, they've got cute little drinks. You're good if you wanna, do you wanna, cool. Don't wanna keep you from your job. I'm gonna go back there and shoot some corn. No way. You can have beers and watch a movie here. Have you ever seen a movie theater where you can have a beer while watching the movie? And best of all, it's locally brewed. Local brew. Local beer, local brew. Cool, look at us. Jacob, have you ever been indoor golfing? Would you? Or have you been regular people golfing?
Yeah.
Like you were on the golf team? Learn something new every day?
Good.
Hi guys.
Hey there. That needs a shot. I learned how to edit commercials from a Parker Walbeck tutorial of him making an edit for one of these right here. Does that look cool? Comment and let me know if it looked cool. 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 We will be back to film there. There just happens to be some nice, respectable young gentlemen there who are already doing their thing there. I don't know if illegal is the right word, but it's definitely frowned upon to include someone in a commercial that they didn't want to be in. Whenever I'm filming an event, I tell the event coordinator to like put up a couple signs that say event is subject to be filmed, or you're subject to be filmed by entering this event. That's legal cover for it. I'm gonna get a wide shot, so you should be behind me.
That's stupid thinking of me.
Would you actually hold the door? This looks great. This is a great little shot. Come on. 2 indoor tennis courts. Is tennis supposed to be an indoor or an outdoor sport? It requires about 100 feet of space. This is cool. Dude, this is a really nice facility. It's pretty cool that the nicest facility got the nicest videographer in town. Cool. All right, go on and get behind me, cuh. Don't trip about it, cuh. Okay, I should really be on a gimbal right now. Cool.
All right.
Oh my goodness, they have showers. That's not going in the video, but that's pretty cool. Look at this. 4 full-size pickleball courts. Who does that? Do you play pickleball? It kind of blew up this year, like as a trend for people our age group. Okay, this is gonna be a long, unbroken walk. Oh, that's cool. Well, all right. We've gotten pretty much everything. There's a few more little details that we need to get, and then we have some worker voluntold to do some shots. I'm gonna have some volunteers throw one of these pucks at the camera, and last second, karate chop it. Hey, we're ready for people.
Okay, let's go find people.
Or actually, we could start with like the drink pour and then do people.
Okay, did you want to do a food shot too, like a plate?
Yeah, if we could. And then my mic died. But after that, I filmed a drink being poured. I filmed a burger being made. I filmed a little bit of the golf simulator. I filmed the volunteer girls being girls. And then I went home, I edited it, and I delivered the commercial in 24 hours. If you want to see how I did that, you can click right here. And if you just want to see the final product, it's right here. With this video, I just wanted to experiment and make something a little bit simpler. Let me know if you liked it. Subscribe for more.